Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nuveen here. Welcome back to Smiles Inc. TV. On today's episode, we're going to talk about two big things. Number one, this really cool toothbrush I found. I'm going to do an unboxing as best I can, and maybe a little review of the brush. And I also have some big news, which I'll talk to you about in just a minute.
Sure.
Okay, so first I'm going to start with the big news. For the last 23 years, I have been practicing I've been practicing orthodontics alone, and I finally can say that I have another orthodontist working with me, my partner, and I'd like to introduce him, Dr. David Walker. Ta-da! This is Dr. Walker. He is from Virginia, and he just joined the practice in July of 2019, and so you will be seeing a lot more of him. All right, should we get into it?
Let's do it.
Are you enjoying your time in the practice?
I am.
Oh, and Dr. Walker lives in Fargo as well. I live in Grand Forks, so we'll be sharing the duties in each of those practices, and Wahpeton as well. All right, so the main event of this video is, ta-da, the Quip toothbrush. So I was in Target recently, and you can find these online, or I got this in Target. I suppose they're in Walmart probably. But it is an electric toothbrush with a subscription service available to the purchaser. And I don't know a lot about it, and there's actually tape on here. I've never opened one, I've never seen one, I've never held one, so we're going to learn about this together. All right, here we go. Watch it. Okay, top is off, and can you see this?
It's nice packaging. It's high quality packaging.
It is really nice. So on the outside it says electric toothbrush. This one's actually a copper color, which is very nice, very classy. Timed sonic vibrating brush. So there are several sonic brushes available on the market, varying in price from, well, actually they're really expensive, the sonic ones. A lot of mechanical toothbrushes use a rotation or a partial rotation to clean the teeth. This one uses sonic waves to blast away the plaque, along with some other brushes that are very expensive. I actually don't remember the cost.
It's over $100. Probably in the neighborhood of $150.
Not this though.
Oh,
I think this was 40.
No.
I think this was $40. In the neighborhood of $40 at Target.
Well,
So let's see what's inside. Nothing else? Put that over there. All right. A little pamphlet on the front. It says we're here to help. Da-da-da. Tear. Tear. You can look through that, see if there's anything in there.
it says we're here to help.
And then underneath we have the brush in a little plastic tube. And just some junk. Okay, so inside this tube is the brush. I'm going to open this here. And then Dr. Walker is going to tell us about the
pamphlet?
subscription service.
Yeah, so they have some details here. It says the brush head and the battery last 3 months. And
Wow.
it's like you subscribe and it's an automatic refill plan. They'll send you out a new brush head and battery for $5 with free shipping.
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months. You don't have to go to the store.
$5.
$5.
$5.
It's pretty good.
That's really good. Okay, so this is taped in here, so I'm just going to leave that for a moment. I can't read it. Oh, recycle me.
Well, in the interest of full disclosure, I think I have to disclose that my wife actually has one of these toothbrushes.
Oh.
And she loves it, so.
Okay, so the brush is attached to this little tube with some tape. I'm going to get that off here. And get rid of that. And there it is. There's the brush in its entirety. And do you know if this is do you open this to replace the brush? Or
Yeah, you
replace
have to snap it. It like snaps.
Easy.
It's one way or the other.
Oh boy. Oh, he broke it. He broke it.
And then it snaps back. It's actually quite nice. And this. Oh, okay, yeah. So
you gotta take the tape off somehow. Oh, there it is.
So you rip, this part goes on the mirror.
Okay.
You rip like the thing off of it. Where you press it against the mirror.
So this is a little storage container, and it has a little strip on here, which is not super sticky, but maybe on glass it would be sticky. Let's see. Oh yes. That's awesome.
So what my wife does is she has it hanging on the mirror, and she just puts it on the mirror, picks it up and grabs it off the mirror.
Okay.
And that doubles as a travel case, I believe.
Oh, get out.
Yep.
For real?
For reals.
Look at that. That's awesome. Okay, and then how do you turn the thing on?
I believe it's this button.
There. Oh, you can't feel it. It's vibrating.
And I believe that it beeps every 30 seconds or so. So you know, because you want to do the 2 minutes, I think it beeps every 30 seconds, so you hit each quadrant. Yep, 30-second pulses.
Excellent.
And it starts a 2-minute timer.
Perfect. So on the brush head, there are the traditional bristles in the middle, and on the outside surrounding it are little rubber bristles, for lack of a better word, little rubber things like that, and presumably therefore cleaning and stimulating the gums. I like it. And then on the back side is what most brush manufacturers would term a tongue brush, where you clean the surface of your tongue. Let me see if I can open this. Which way?
Other way, yeah. There you go.
Okay, so you open it, and then this must be the battery pack that's replaceable. That's really cool. Excellent.
They also have optional toothpaste that you can get every 3 months. It's a 3-month supply, a regular size tube, and also a TSA qualified travel size as well. And I tried this at the AAO. It's actually quite tasty, minty.
Very good. Okay, well, I think that about wraps up the unboxing of the Quip, in this case copper, toothbrush. It looks really neat, and I think that subscription service is outstanding. Everybody has those toothbrushes in their drawer or on their counter that the bristles are all blown out, and they just forget every time they go to the store to get a new brush. Well, you don't have to remember with this. It just comes in the mail. What do you think?
My wife loves it. Oh,
Thumbs up?
double thumbs up. I think it's great.
Thumbs up. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.